vegetables left in my fridge. I have nothing to cook for the whole week. Let's go to the Sunday market together and fix this. Good morning, everyone. It's Sunday, and I finally have some time to slow down. But before I relax, I need to take care of one important thing today. I woke up a little late today, but that's okay. Sunday is my day to take things slowly, organize my home, and prepare for the week ahead. Okay, let's see what's inside. I have a feeling my fridge is almost empty, but I'm not completely sure. Let's find out. I usually check my fridge before I go grocery shopping. It helps me remember what I already have and what I really need. Okay, let's see what's inside. I have a feeling my fridge is almost empty, but I'm not completely sure. Let's find out. Oh, wow! I was right. There are hardly any vegetables left in here. I definitely need to go shopping today. I only have a few tomatoes, 2 carrots, and 1 cucumber. That definitely isn't enough for an entire week. Let me take everything out for a moment. I want to see exactly what I have before I make my shopping list. These tomatoes are still good, so I can use to throw them away. I can use them during the next couple of days. I still have 2 carrots, but that's definitely not enough for the whole week. I'll need to buy some more. Let me take everything out for a moment. I want to see exactly what I have before I make my shopping list. These tomatoes are still good, so I can use to throw them away. I can use them during the next couple of days. My fridge is almost empty, only a few vegetables left. I don't want to walk around the market without a plan. A shopping list will help me stay organized and avoid buying things I don't need. And this is my last cucumber. I usually like having cucumbers with breakfast or salad, so I should definitely add them to my list. Okay. Let's start with the vegetables I use most often. First, I need potatoes. I use them for different meals, so I'll buy enough for the week. Next, tomatoes. I already have two, but I'll need more if I want them to last all week. Of course, I need onions too. They're useful in so many different dishes. Finally, green peppers and cucumbers. Perfect! Now I have a complete list, and I know exactly what I'm going to look for at the market. I'll also get carrots and fresh spinach. I want to have some green vegetables ready for the week. I also need to stay within my budget. I don't want to overspend today. I've got my shopping bags, my list, and my wallet. I'm ready. Let's go to the market and buy fresh vegetables for the whole week. The market is close to my home, so I decided to walk there. It's a beautiful Sunday morning. I really like walking on Sunday mornings. Everything feels calm, and I don't have to hurry. Wow, that bakery smells amazing! But today, I'm here for vegetables, so I need to stay focused. Let me check list again. I don't want to forget anything after I reach the market. I need potatoes, tomatoes, onions, carrots, spinach, green peppers, and cucumbers. Perfect. I've checked everything twice, so I should be ready for my shopping trip. Lip sync. The cafes are already busy today. It looks like everyone is enjoying their Sunday morning. Oh, I can see the market now. It looks really busy today. I hope I can find everything on my list. I also want to compare the prices before I buy anything. Here we are! I'm finally at the market. Let's start shopping. Wow! There are so many fresh vegetables here. Everything looks colorful and delicious. I don't want to buy the first vegetables I see. I'm going to look around and choose carefully. Oh, these tomatoes look really fresh. I think I should start with tomatoes.
I want tomatoes that are firm but ripe. These ones look much better than the others.
These tomatoes look very fresh. Could you please tell me how much they are?
Good morning! These tomatoes are fresh today. They're $2.50 per kilogram.
Good morning. That sounds reasonable. I'm buying vegetables for the whole week, so I think I'll take 2 kilograms. Could you help me choose the best tomatoes?
Of course. These ones are firm and ripe.
Perfect. I want them to stay fresh for several days.
Then these will be a good choice.
Could you please weigh 2 kilograms for me?
Sure. Let me put them on the scale.
I want enough for the week, but I don't want to buy too many.
Then 2 kilograms should be just...
Is that exactly 2 kilograms?
It's a little under 2.
Could you add 1 more tomato, please?
Of course. There we go. Exactly 2 kilograms.
Perfect. Thank you.
These tomatoes look really fresh. I am happy with my choice.
I am glad you like them.
Thank you. I will keep them carefully in my bag.
You are welcome. Have a nice Sunday.
Tomatoes are done. Now I need potatoes. I use potatoes for several meals during the week, so I want to buy enough. Let's see which ones look the freshest. Potatoes look pretty good.
Yes, they're fresh today.
I'm looking for potatoes without too many marks or soft spots.
Then choose these ones. They're firm and good for cooking.
Great, I'll take a closer look. I think these are exactly what I need.
How many would you like?
I'd like about 2 kilograms, please.
Sure, they're $150 per kilogram today.
That's a good price, 2 kilograms. Could you please make it exactly 2 kilograms?
Sure, let me check the scale.
I'm trying to buy the right amount for the whole week.
2 kilograms should be enough for several...
Exactly what I...
Great! The potatoes look fresh, and the price was good too.
I'm glad you're happy with them.
Thank you. I'm slowly getting everything on my list. Good luck with the rest of your shopping. More vegetables to find. Potatoes are done, so let's move on to carrots and onions. I use both of these almost every week, so I definitely don't want to forget them.
These carrots look really fresh. I want carrots that are firm and bright orange because I'll be using them in different meals this week. Which ones would you recommend? I want something fresh, but I also don't want to buy more than I can use. These are very fresh today. Great, I'll take those. How much are the carrots today?
They're $1.25 per kilogram.
That's a good price. I'll take 1 kilogram, please.
Sure, I'll weigh them for you.
1 kilogram should be enough for me. I can use some for cooking and keep the rest for later in the week.
That sounds like a good amount.
Exactly. I'm trying to avoid wasting food. Thank you! Thank you! These look really fresh.
You're welcome.
Okay, carrots are done. Now I need to find some good onions. Here, onions. I already have a few at home, but I think I need some more for the week.
These onions look nice and firm. I always check them carefully because I want them to stay fresh for a long time. Excuse me, how much are these onions per kilogram?
They're $1.7 per kilogram.
Perfect. I'll take 1 kilogram, please. I think 1 kilogram is enough because I still have some onions at home.
Yes, that should last you quite a while.
Great! I'm happy I checked my fridge before coming.
Now I'm looking for fresh spinach. I don't have any at home, so this is definitely going on my shopping list.
These leaves look really green and fresh. I want a bunch that doesn't have any damaged or yellow leaves.
Now I'm looking for fresh spinach. I don't have any at home, so this is definitely going on my shopping list.
These leaves look really green and fresh. I want a bunch that doesn't have any damaged or yellow leaves.
Which bunch do you think is fresher?
This one is very fresh. It arrived this morning.
Perfect. I'll take this one. How much is this bunch?
It's 1.75.
That's fine. I'll take one bunch. I think that will be enough for this week.
I'm going to put the spinach on top because I don't want the heavier vegetables to crush the leaves. I'm learning to pack my groceries more carefully. Let's see what I have left. Potatoes, tomatoes, carrots, onions, and spinach are all done. I only need green peppers and cucumbers now.
My bags are getting heavier, but I'm almost finished. I just need to find some fresh green peppers and cucumbers. There they are. These green peppers look so fresh and colorful. Let's see if they're good. I like peppers that are firm and bright green. These ones feel really fresh, so I think I'll take them. How much are the green peppers today?
They're $2.10 per kilogram.
Okay, I'll take half a kilogram. I only need a few for the week. Almost finished. Let me check my list one more time. Everything is done except the cucumbers. Once I find them, I can head home. These cucumbers look really fresh. I'm going to check them carefully because I want them to stay crisp for several days. I think these medium-sized ones are better for me. They're not too big, and I can easily use them for salads and breakfast. Cucumbers are the last thing on my list. I usually eat them with breakfast or add them to a salad, so I definitely need some for this week.
Good morning! These cucumbers look very fresh. How much are they today? They're $1.50 per kilogram. That sounds good. I'll take 1 kilogram, please.
1 kilogram should be enough for the whole week. I don't want to buy too many because I want everything to stay fresh.
That should be a good amount.
Perfect, thank you.
I'll put the cucumbers on top too. I don't want them to get bruised under the potatoes and onions. Now my vegetables are almost completely packed.
Let's check the list one last time. Potatoes, tomatoes, onions, carrots, spinach, green peppers, and cucumbers. Everything is finally checked off. I'm really happy because I found everything I needed without buying too many unnecessary things.
Before I leave, I want to check how much I've spent. I planned a budget this morning, so I hope I stayed close to it. The tomatoes were $5, the potatoes were $3, and the carrots were $1.25. So far, everything looks pretty reasonable.
The onions were $1,000, spinach was $1.75, the peppers were $1, and the cucumbers were $1.50. It looks like I stayed within my budget. That's great! I'm glad I made a list before I came here.
I think planning really helped me today. I bought what I needed, stayed within my budget, and avoided buying things I didn't need.
Let me quickly check my bags before I leave. I want to make sure everything is packed properly.
I'm putting the tomatoes on top because they're soft and can easily get damaged. The potatoes and onions can go at the bottom because they're heavier and won't get damaged easily. The spinach and cucumbers need a little more care, so I'm keeping them right at the top.
Perfect. Everything is packed safely, and I'm ready to head home. Mia's mouth. Okay, these bags are definitely heavier than when I arrived. But that's a good sign because they're full of fresh vegetables. I'm finally finished shopping. The market was busy, but I found everything I needed. I really enjoyed shopping here today. The vegetables were fresh, the prices were good, and I stayed within my budget.
Now it's time to go home. I can't wait to put everything away and see how much space I have in my fridge. Thank you so much for spending this Sunday with me. I hope you enjoyed my grocery shopping trip. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel for more simple English stories and everyday life. I'll see you in the next one.